अभी हम we will start the new topic Italian unification. In the previous video we had seen the unification of Germany, how the repeated attempt made by the liberals was failed, and at last the conservative, it means the ruler of the Prussia, taken the leadership and mobilized the people in the name of the nationalism to unite the country. In the same way, we will see the unification of the Italy, how the how the ruler of a particular state, as we know, Italy was also fragmented into the several states. As similar to the Germans, Italy was also divided into the several provinces in 18th century and early 19th century. Then among these states, among the fragmented states, several fragmented states, there was a state known as Sardinia Piedmont. As we have seen, the particular state in Germany, Prussia, in the same way in Italy, we have the leadership is taken by the king of a state known as the Sardinia Piedmont. That kings mobilized the people in the name of the nationalism and unified the country. It means the liberal attempts, whatever the we will see the liberals, we had seen the liberals also, the Mazzini, the Garibaldi, the formation of the young Italy, young Europe by the Mazzini. But the formation of the Carbonari, as we have seen in the previous chapter, previous topics, these were the liberals' attempts, but they were failed repeatedly because the conservatives was very powerful. Those sections of society who are conservative are very powerful, and they object, they restrict any changes or any radical changes in the political or the social affairs. Now the leadership come into the hand of the again a liberal monarch. It means the definitely the leadership is going to be in the hand of monarch, but that monarchs are liberals in their approach. Okay, now here also we will see the which monarch is going to take the leadership and unite the country, unite the complete Italy into a single country, as we are seeing today. इसमें भी हमने यही देखेंगे कैसे एक मोनार्क ने लोगों को यूनाइट किया और विद हेल्प ऑफ द आर्मी. यस, द सेंटिमेंट वाज देयर, sentiment was there, the common people sentiment was there that countries should be united, there should be no fragmentation of the country into the provinces. Now they had made attempt also, but they were failed. Now the ultimately the leadership go into the rulers kingdoms, and they rose the national sentiment of the people and use their own army. Now we are studying the role of the army and diplomacy. It means the political situation in the Europe, how the army fight. We have seen the army of the German fight with the several countries, and inside the German with the provinces also. Monarch of provincial monarch also. In the same way, we will see the Italy. The Sardinia Piedmont army will fight with the France, with the Austria, and with the Spain. These are the countries which are interfering into the internal into the provinces of the Italy, as they were interfering into the provinces of the Germans. So the army of the Italy has to fight with the Austria, France, and the Spain. And this army, army of the Piedmont and Sardinia, defeated all these rivalries and lastly unite the country. This we have to study. Okay.